Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to find trending TikTok hashtags. I'm pretty sure that some people want to be famous on TikTok. That is, they keep on looking for the best hashtags. I'm going to show you how to search for best trending hashtags on TikTok. First, launch your TikTok application. And once you're here, kindly go to your profile or go directly to the search bar. Here, kindly type TikTok trend and then enter. After that, you have to click this filter icon up here. And then for sort by, you can click relevance for date posted. You can click this week video category all. And then after that, click apply. Now, when you refresh that or reload, under TikTok trend, if you can see above, the side places click hashtags, and there you can see the most famous or trending hashtags for this week. So all you have to do is to copy that hashtag so that your video or your photo or anything that you post on TikTok will be trending soon. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.